Hello, what's up, guys? How are you, everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today, I have one Nissan petrol car, and this car not start. No crank, not start. So first, I checked with my diagnosis tool. There is no fault, and then I found that the starter motor not working. So that's the problem. That's why car not start. So now we replace this starter motor. Let's see if you need to replace starter motor. You have to remove this full manifold, and then under the manifold there is the starter location. I will show you now. So in this car I have a problem in starter motor. If your car have same problem in Nissan petrol, check this starter motor. Okay, see, you have to remove full, see, remove manifold, and then you can see inside this is the starter motor. Okay, so remove starter motor and replace it, your car will be okay. Okay, see this one. Thank you.